Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again for this Thursday the 2nd. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Here we go. Link is going to be down below. Check them out. This is coming from Homecube on Amazon. So take advantage of the fast shipping. Hopefully you guys made a good week so far. Everybody is safe. There we go. Almost the weekend. Almost Friday. And they have to offer Homecube car doorstep. Portable emergency. Let's take a look inside. I'm going to make a short video today. There we go. Ah, nice. Boom. Comes in the bag. Easy to install. There we go. We got it out. There we go. There we go. Alrighty. Got the manual right here. And like I said, easy to install. Light, sturdy, bearing capacity. Oh wow. Don't really have. Oh, my car would have. Alright. So there we go. And now let's look at it. See what this thing looks like. Oh, nice. Look at that. Boom. Homecube. So YouTubers, check them out. You guys need one for your cars, SUVs. There you go. Nice looking step. There you go. Boom. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good Thursday. Be safe, and I'll see you guys soon. See ya.